This 4-year-old girl named Veronica has spent her entire life at the center of a custody battle between her biological father, who's a Native American, and the couple who adopted her. But the long fight from Oklahoma to South Carolina all the way through the United States Supreme Court is finally over. And here is Elaine Quijano.
There were no police officers on hand for the transfer. Veronica said goodbye to her biological father, Dustin Brown, and was escorted by an attorney to her adoptive parents, Matt and Melanie Capobianco. Brown's supporters described it as dignified. Todd Hembry is the Cherokee Nation Attorney General.
What was best for her today was a peaceful and honorable transition. She deserves to know him and to have a relationship with him, and that's what we have fought for all along.
Excuse me.
Veronica lived with Brown for the last 21 months. Saying goodbye was unimaginable to Brown when we spoke to him in July.
I don't want to deal with that. I don't want to have to be told that. I don't want someone to tell me that I've lost the right to be a father.
But Brown agreed to relinquish his parental rights before Veronica's birth. Matt and Melanie Capobianco began the process of adopting Veronica from her mother and were in the delivery room when she was born.
I thought she was the most beautiful child I've ever laid my eyes on, and she just felt like ours immediately, like we had a connection with her. And she was with us since that day.
2 years later, a South Carolina court awarded custody to Brown. It cited a U.S. law that protects Native American children from being separated from their families. But in June, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that law did not apply because Brown abandoned Veronica before birth and never had custody of the child.
I mean, they could think what they want, say what they want, but I never abandoned my child.
She's not coming to strangers. She knows us. We love her. We're going to take good care of her. Please, let's just all try and get along and do what's right for her.
The Capobiancos have left Oklahoma, but we don't know when they'll return here to their home in South Carolina. In a statement tonight, the Capobiancos said everyone is doing well, and they asked for privacy. Scott, their escort includes 2 sheriff's deputies.
Elaine, thanks very much.